Hello friends, and welcome back to the Ninox learning series. Today's topic that we are going to cover is how to use formula field. So for that, let's get started. Let us create a new database. I'm going to name it as using formula. Let us create a new table. And now here I'm going to pull few fields for the demonstration purpose so that it makes some sense. Let us have it as first name, second name, and let us include date, and let us call it as date of birth. Okay. Now in order to use the formula field, I'm just taking here an example, like we have an entry of name and date of birth, and what we need to find out here is the age based on the date of birth specified. So I'll go ahead and add a formula field here, and I'm renaming it as age. Okay. Now, in order to calculate age, we are going to use the field as date of birth, and we are going to use the function age function. When you provide age function, the input as date of birth, it should calculate the age. So in order to update formula, go to the formula field and say edit. Here you can see this is the script editor. Now here I'm just going to use function age of date of birth and say OK. Now this will be applicable for whatever records you keep adding in this table. Now let us put some records here. Putting some random name. Now I'm just giving this randomly 12, 20, 9, 5 and say enter. So here you can see the age is automatically calculated. So formula field is basically used when you want to do some transactions, you want to do some operations based on the fields that are present in your table. Similarly, you can do multiple transactions. We will see few of them in the upcoming tutorials as well. But this was a basic demonstration on how to use formula field.